Hello everyone, today is the day of the reveal for the Little Red Dress Project, and I made McCall's 8142, which is also known as Nolitamccalls. The pattern description is a missus dress and it ranges from sizes 6 to 24, and I cut a size 18. It did look like the photo and drawing on the envelope for the most part, but I did kind of feel like the sleeves didn't build at the wrist like it probably should have, but that's okay because I still think it turned out okay. What I liked most about the pattern, or I should say one of the things that I liked most about the pattern, was the ruching or the gathering in the front middle skirt. It made it look a lot different from the things that I normally sew, so that detail kind of brought that out. And it's also in the middle back of the neckline, as you can see right there. So that was a very good detail as well that matched up with that middle front skirt. Another feature that I liked about this pattern was the gathers that were right underneath the bust. As you can see, there's gathers on both sides, and I also like the elastic band that was entered inside of the sleeve at the wrist. That was a nice feature to make those sleeves bell out. The pattern instructions were very easy to follow, and so I would highly recommend this pattern to anyone who wanted to sew it. And I used a crushed velvet in the color red, as you can see, and I picked the fabric up at Walmart. One question that I always answer when I do pattern reviews is, did I make any pattern alterations or changes in this pattern? And I actually did. I made the whole entire dress, and when I connected the skirt piece to the actual dress, that skirt was so short. I mean, it was extremely short, so short that I didn't even feel comfortable wearing it out just to take pictures. So I actually cut the skirt and the lining out again a second time and remade the whole entire skirt, but this time I added 6 inches to the skirt so that I could feel more comfortable. So what you are seeing here in this review is the dress made with an added 6 inches onto the skirt portion of the dress. And I also did not add the elastic band in the middle of the skirt that connects to the bodice. I left that out because that always looks a little weird on me. I would definitely recommend this pattern to someone who is interested in this style of dress, and I do like how it turned out. However, I would not make it again just simply because I think one dress like this is enough. And that is it for my review for McCall's 8142. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my reveal and my review for McCall's 8142, also known as Nolitamccalls. And I will leave you with some still photos so that you can see the dress while it is in still motion. And I hope that everyone enjoys their happy new year. If you have not done so already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video, and also hit the gray notification bell, and please give me a like if you like this pattern review. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in the next video.